Today we're building out the new Bug24 kit from Injora for the SCX24. This is a super simple and inexpensive way to transform the looks of your SCX24. This is available in 3 different colors, plus a clear one if you want to paint it yourself. And it's a direct bolt-on to the SCX24 JLU, Bronco, Basecamp, and or C10. I got my hands on the orange, kind of copperish color, and as you can see, it looks pretty rad. So let's jump into this. I'm going to open this up, show you what comes in the kit. We're going to build it together, and then we're going to go hit the rocks in the backyard and have some fun. So let's check it out. We got our decals here. Some stickers for headlights, looks like. They got single page instruction manual. Looks pretty simple to install. I got the orange one because I'm on an orange kick. I love orange. So we got body mounts with magnets, light bar. Looks like our nylon bumper there. Oh, here's the body. Check this out. Oh, nice looking body here. It's got an orange metallic, like a copper metallic. Got trimmed fenders here. Looks like what could have been a scale motor in the back there. Little bit of overspray with the black or underspray with the orange there on the fins. Tinted windows on it already. Cool looking little body. Here's the nylon cage. Oh, largely pre-assembled already. This is going to be slick. So you got the cage already. Nylon cage here. 0 depth interior. No drivers or anything. Got a little shift knob. Steering wheel. Some body pins. Bunch of them. Let's see what we use those for. This kit's built for the C10 Bronco Basecamp JLU wheelbase. So I think for my donor SCX24, I'll probably use this brand new Bronco. We just got this. I already have a Bronco already, so I figured this would be a good base to cannibalize and work from. Step number one. Step number one, according to the instructions, is to put the interior in. It looks like that's already done on this one. Is it really just as simple as attaching the light bar brackets and then the bumper? I don't know, we'll see. So it looks like the light bar is optional here, so it has spots. You'll need to cut these out if you want to put the light bar in. I'm not sure if I want to do that with this body. I don't know, maybe we will go with like a Baja bug type look. So it already has, they're marked on the roof line here. So we'll do it real quick. Okay, the holes in the body. Now we can do the light bar. Might as well just do it all. We'll do like a Baja bug type look here. So with the optional light bar, now we're going to attach these little mounts. Alright, so then those should go through the holes we made. Yep, right there. Cool. So then the light bar is going to go right there. Alright, check it out. That looks better than I thought. It's actually a pretty clean fit on there. Okay, next steps is the body mount. It comes with the magnet mounts. Let's see, in the bumper. Boy, is this all there is to it? Like, here's your rear hinge. It's going to go on the back. Okay, it utilizes the stock bumper mount. Yes, I believe so. Alright, it's on there. What in the world is going on with my front bumper here? I gotta fix that. Maybe you don't use the stock mounts. Let's take that off. There we go. That's better. Holy moly, look at that. That must be a record right there. It was about 10 minutes, probably start to finish, doing that whole conversion. Fits right on there, no problem. Let me get the body mount situated there. We'll do the magnet mounts, I think. Mounting plates. Mounting holes, just like that. I'll glue those up. Very cool, super slick. $34 in about 10 minutes to completely transform your SCX24 into this off-road Beetle style rig here. Alright guys, here's the finished product here. Super simple installation here. Got my decals and everything on it. Came out really sharp. I like the copper color on here. Looks good on it. Great fit. Super snug against that bumper. I did utilize the magnet mounts. Those were no problem at all. It's got a nice solid feel to it. Body's on there really well. It gives you plenty of room for big tires, as you can see. I had this on there with the stock wheels and tires, and it looked really goofy. So through these RC four-wheel drive stamped steelies, these are flipped to give me some extra width. wrapped in the Little Guy Racing Parts Swamp King tires, the 63mm tires. And even with these big meats on here, it's still got a ton of room. So this could really benefit from an aftermarket shock setup. It's going to let you kind of slam that chassis down a little bit more. You could even get away with bigger tires, although I do get some rubbing right there on that corner. So the body positioning is kind of odd on this. The way it sits up so high, it just gives you so much room. It's going to be difficult to fill those on the stock chassis. Injora says that this also will work on their SCX24 chassis. So that might be better to help kind of fill those fender wells a little bit, because right now I feel like it looks a little odd. It just sits up too high. There's too much room here for my taste. But nonetheless, it does look pretty good. Super, super simple swap. Cool little kit. One of the easiest upgrades and swaps that I've done in recent memories, if not ever. And it was just super, super simple to get this thing installed. So why don't we go out and see how this thing looks in action. I'm just going to take it in the backyard today. But we'll go hit the rock course out back and just have some fun, see how it looks. Right here with the Beetle on the outdoor course, just in the backyard today. Didn't do any supporting mods to this, just the bigger tires. We'll see how this does. Looks cool out here. Light bar is nice and bright on there. I like the copper color. That nice metallic looks really good out here in the sun. Crawling pretty good considering a totally stock chassis under there. Of course, it's a little beat up out here. I had the grandkids out. They were in the back with the Tonka trucks, filling everything up with mulch and sand. So I rebuilt it as best I could, but oh, hanging on there. We got some debris on the course today. A little bit of rubbing up front, despite all the room from those trimmed fenders and the high body. A wider track on this would help. You can see, I don't know if you can hear that when I turn sharp. Those big tires catch on the fenders there. But it does look cool though. That front end needs some more, I wish I had a grill or something. It just looks naked in the front with those two little circular headlights there. Needs something there to give some more detail. Look at this little thing go. This is a fun little project. It literally took 10 to 15 minutes to do the swap. They've made this extremely easy. It's a great, inexpensive, quick way to upgrade your SCX24's appearance. We'll see if this comes out for the 18th scale. I'm sure they will. If this does well, they'll release it for the larger scales, the TRX4M, probably the Ascent 18. But I'm glad we saw this for the SCX24 first. Cool looking little kit. It's a fun little project, nice little weekend project here. All right guys, I'm gonna tool around for a little bit more. It's a nice day out today. We might take these trucks out somewhere just beyond more than the backyard, but I want to just do a quick video to show you guys this thing in action. We'll see what we do with it in the future, but nice little kit. All right guys, just a quick video on the Bug24 kit. This was a fun little project, very, very simple upgrade on the SCX24 and inexpensive too, at only 34 bucks for this thing from Injora. This is a quick, easy, and inexpensive way to transform the looks of your SCX24. I want to keep tweaking this. I want to see if I can get the fender wells filled in a little bit better, maybe get that body slammed down a little bit more. It would look a whole lot better, hugging the tires a little bit, kind of sunken down a little bit more. So we'll see what we can do. At the moment, this is only available for the SCX24. If you're interested in a larger scale version, I'd encourage you to check out the DBR Chassis Dynamics bug and out kit. I built one of those on the TRX4M. That's a great bug body for a larger scale if you're interested in that. I'll put a link in the description down below for the Bug24 kit. And remember, you can save 5% on all things at Injora.com with my discount code. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of this kit for the SCX24? And as always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll see you in the next video.